Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Namo Creation. So today we are going to decorate plain boring paper in 3 different ways. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we are taking a plain paper. Now start coloring with bed form and poster color like this. You can use these designs on the project home pages and for any other card making ideas. Tap the bed form continuously over the paper with colors. Now cover the border with the beautiful design using brush pen or sketch pen. Yes guys, by using these small ideas, you can present your work in a very good and creative way. So don't skip and let's enjoy it. Stay tuned in the video till the end. Now in the middle, you can write anything with pen or marker. So this how our first design is complete. Now it's turn for second one. So on another paper, with the help of poster color and brush pen, make the leaf designs. And now decorate it further with pink color. So it's ready. You can write any thought or message on it. And on the next paper, making a flower design like this with colorful brush pens. After decorating a little more, all 3 our designs are complete. I hope you like it. Please share the video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.